Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This will be part three of Burrow. That's the Weasley's house from Harry Potter. Um, on the last video, we got up to just putting this level on here, just above where the uprights are. We got up to that level. So what I've been doing, I've built two more levels out of just normal cardboard boxes. I just cut them up and we made them to there. I'm using the chimney there as a support for everything. I've cut out my windows um, to where I wanted them, and to put the glass in the windows, what I used was this acrylic glass, this here, and this is ever so easy to cut. All you need to do is score it with your craft knife and then bend it to snap it, and it comes out quite easily. So what I've done is I cut a piece for each window, and then I put a piece of card behind the window, just overlapping a little bit, cut out the window shape. So I had something to stick my glass to. If I can show you just inside, let me stand up for a minute. You might be able to see. Yeah, I'm going to tip it forward. And that's the card inside, what I've put there, so that I could add something to stick the glass to. Once I cut out my glass, I painted it orange, as you can see, so that when I put the lights on, it's going to glow through orange. I think it will look quite nice. I don't know whether you can see in this light. Can you see the lights coming on there? So I think that's quite effective. That's going to happen throughout the house. So I've got my string of battery operated lights that I'm feeding round as I'm working. So yeah, that'll be my lights there. The next thing to do is doing all the siding. Most of it's just wood siding, and then there's some slates as well. And I'll show you how I done that. What I've been doing, I'm doing everything with coffee stirrers. These are my coffee stirrers here. So what I'm doing, I'm just chopping off the ends, and let me just turn this slightly. These will be going as my siding going up. There, I've started on one side of it, and I'll show you that. What I've used for the slates is where you've got your lolly sticks and you cut off the ends to make straight bits. I've saved all the ends there in a little tub. These are all my little ends, as you can see. I'll put some in my hand so you can see. And I've used these as slate tiles. I'm going to show you how I put them on and how effective they look. So I'm going to turn the house around now, and then you can have a look at what I've been doing. So let's just move this out of the way. Okay, I'm turning it round now so you can have a look. This is where I've started here. As you can see, I've put me coffee stirrers for me siding here, and then I've used the ends of the lolly sticks to make these tiles here. So it's all got to be painted yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to carry on doing the rest of this siding on the bits that I've got up so far. And then in the next video, what we'll be doing is we'll be making some of the window frames, and I will show that on video of me making some of the window frames, so you can see how I do that. Yeah, on this one here, because it was circular, I thought I can't really cut a circular out of sticks of wood. So I want to try and keep it all wooden cardboard if I can. So I cut that out of some cardboard. I'm just using 300 GSM card, which is thick enough, and then I doubled it up so that it was a bit stronger. So I cut myself a circle out of that, and cut the circle out the middle and stuck that over, and then I just cut out a little pattern out of the card to stick on the window there, so it looks like it's all separated. But that's come out quite well. I'm quite pleased with that one. But I will be building some of these windows out a bit more, so that'll be interesting to see how we get on with that one. So that's how far I've got, and I hope you're enjoying watching this video, and in the next one, as I say, we'll be making the window frames, and most of the siding should be on. I'll finish off a little bit of it, and yeah, then we'll crack on with the building the next levels up. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Oh, by the way, Mick's behind the camera. He'd like to say hello. Say hello, Mick.
Hello, everybody, and I hope you're having a lovely time. But it's coming along absolutely brilliant.
We'll see you very soon then in the next video. So please keep watching. It's lovely to have you with us. And yeah, hopefully this will turn out looking quite nicely. Thank you once again. Bye bye now.